Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Icon Contra 3 mesh jacket. Still paying for it.
Let's restart.
It's included.
Let's restart the video. I fucked it up. I fucked something up. I didn't mean. It's definitely the perfect in between of a race fit and more of a comfort fit. So as he recommended and said, it's a sport fit. So
I do think you have your collar jacked up here, bro.
Oh, dude, man. He's got to help me
Let's
out.
do it again.
Shit.
Daddy still got to dress you. Okay, we're on take number 3 for the Icon Contra 3 mesh jacket, which retails for $265 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we never update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. If you want to know why we had to do 3 takes, all his fault.
Yeah, I'll own up to that.
I'll get out of your way. You can do your sizing thing,
Get out of my way. So I am 5'11", 170 pounds. I'm wearing a size medium. I have a 41-inch chest and right around a 30-inch waist, and I'd say this is the perfect in-between of a race fit and a comfort fit, as he called it. It's a sport fit.
Sport fit.
So
this jacket is intended for riders that are looking for a really good hot weather jacket that also has the ability to regulate temperature for those earlier morning rides, like say in the spring, the fall, right, where it's going to be a nice day, but
yeah.
You know, it's got a quilted, insulated vest and sleeve liner. It's very easily removable. It's well done, so you can regulate your temperature a little bit. But more importantly, for those hot summer rides, that's what we all want to do. We've got a lot of ventilation.
It's going to flow.
Laser perf there in that detail. That just looks sick too. Laser perf in your stinky pits. Mesh panel here. Mesh panel here. I don't know why they did this. I don't think it matters, but if you want to open that up, there's mesh on the inside of that too. That's great, but you already have mesh there. Yeah. Okay, back of the jacket. Large mesh panel down here, and more of that laser perforation right here. Lots of airflow. It looks really good too. The styling on this thing is great.
It's a good looking jacket.
Yeah, different materials brought together, like a heavier denier, like ballistic, right? This logo has a great hand, right? What they've done here in the sleeve, the Icon logo, reflective Contra logo.
Let's jump into armor.
Go ahead.
So, this jacket has D3O armor in the shoulder, elbow, and it has a back insert.
Included in the jacket.
level 1 as well. And again, it's not some garbage random foam padding. It is D3O, and I have test crashed the shit out of that stuff.
And it
works. It's good stuff.
It's one of the best brands on the market. Also important to note that the elbow armor is in an adjustable pocket, 3 levels there, kind of a range. You can move it around if you need to. We'll show you that pocket in more detail in the second part of this video. It's a good looking coat.
It is a good looking coat.
For $265 again.
It's reasonable. It's really reasonable. Especially in today's world, it's not too bad.
We kind of got away from doing, for whatever reason, I don't even know the answer to that, videos on the Icon stuff for a few years. Busy racing. We're in the off season now, and so he's been in the sales department for what, 2 years-ish now?
Yeah, exactly.
And you kind of formed an opinion about Icon.
I did. I thought it was kind of an iffy brand, but now I feel like since we're putting a little bit more effort into reviewing the products, it's
and
changed.
that you've actually had them on.
And that I've actually had them on. Yeah, I'm actually kind of feeling it a little bit. It's not exactly always my style, but again, there's styles for everybody. But yeah, it's been kind of impressive recently.
I think the value is going to be hard to beat.
Yeah, for $200-300 where the jackets are varying, it's definitely not too bad at all.
Oh, yeah, I mean, you're not getting the Alpine Star jacket with a back protector insert in it for $265
Nope.
No, not even close. If you like what you see as much as Max does and you want a little more detail, stay tuned for the second part of this video. We're going to take the jacket off Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, the Icon Contra 3 mesh jacket from the inside out. This jacket comes with a full complement of D3O Level 1 certified armor. Here is your back protector insert, your shoulder armor, your elbow and forearm armor. We talked previously about the adjustments that are provided for that. We'll show you that in a little more detail as we move forward here. The Contra 3 includes a fully removable quilted vest and sleeve body warming liner, multiple attachment points. You got two here at the cuff, hold the sleeve in nicely, one in the underarm area on both sides, and then a full circumference zip. Nice quality mesh liner. Focusing on the shell of the jacket itself now. I like the materials they used here. Like it, they have a nice hand, they feel really robust, and it looks great. Large mesh panels here on the back. Icon logo. Down low. Got some heavier ballistic style material here. And the stuff actually has a little bit of stretch to it. And you'll see up here in the upper arm area, some laser perforation done there. Sleeve of the jacket. Reflectors up here on the shoulder. Got some of this almost, I don't know. It's probably not, but it almost looks like maybe it's reflective. Either way, it's got a nice hand. It looks really cool, right? Mesh panel down here. Bottom of the sleeve and the forearm area. Some stretch fabric here in the underarm area. The inner arm area, I'm sorry. Laser perforation in the underarm area. Locking zip. They finished this off underneath in mesh. I mean, okay. You got a locking zip. It's a full mesh jacket. Not 100% sure why that had to be there, but it's there. Front of the jacket. Like the styling up here. You got some laser perf and that detail there. This heavy ballistic material here. Icon logo stitched on, and that whatever that is, got a really nice hand. Feels cool, right? Large mesh panel down here in the lower abdomen area. You got zippered hand warmer style storage pockets. Some of the jackets they use, they have really big openings for the pockets. These are, I would say, average. Got locking zips there. Large, heavy gauge main zipper. Get inside the jacket. Interior storage pocket, left breast. There's a little pocket inside here, stash pocket, St. Christopher metal. They include that with every single Icon jacket. They've been doing that since day one. It's kind of a cool little feature. Comfortable mesh liner on the inside of the jacket. Very comfortable fabric up here at the neck. And you can see there's like even some perforation in that, maybe to like promote some airflow in that area. A little drop tail. It keeps the jacket overlapping your pants when you're in that aggressive riding position. Okay, the Contra 3 includes an adjustable elbow armor pocket. There are 3 levels. See where the stitching ends here? Highest level. About an inch down, and then maybe almost as much as 2 inches lower than the stock position, right? Very simple. There's multiple pockets inside of the one pocket. This material's so thin, you don't notice any additional bulk, but it does give you that option. You can see there where that stops. Gives you that option to put the armor in the place that is most beneficial for you as the rider. To be fair, we're all shaped a little bit differently, so why not have a little flexibility in the jacket? What do I think? I like it. You know, it's another way under $300 riding jacket. The styling is cool. Full complement of armor. I think Icon has done a solid job with the Contra 3 mesh jacket. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right jacket for your next ride.